I think I describe myself as a teacher, like a loving teacher, because I make sure that my students are enjoying my class. I always ask them how do they feel, if they are happy with me as a teacher, and I always make sure that my students are in good health. I always ask them, like for example, they are sick. I advise them to take some medicine and always drink lots of water, something like that. I think the best way to learn English is, aside from having an English teacher, I think they should read English books and watch English movies so that their speaking abilities and even their vocabularies, they will excel with those things.